What's going on, guys? This is Anders Larsson, and in this video I'm gonna talk about an URL shortening service called Clk.Sh. I'm also gonna figure out if this is a scam site or an untrustworthy site. You are probably here because you want to know more about Clk.Sh. Maybe someone were recommending it, or you found this on another website and you want to know if it is worth to sign up to this service and use it. Before we dive into this service, I want to make a short introduction. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. What I do is create small video tutorials or video reviews like this one, and it allows me to earn money by doing that, by helping people. Chances are that you have tried different services and you kind of start to feel that it is draining your energy because nothing works. You feel that you are not getting any results no matter how hard you try. And this is why I'm here. I am sharing my solution that do work, that a lot of people are using. The thing about the solution that I use is that it is not a get-rich-quick solution. People don't want to hear that. They want to make money instantly, but that is not how the real world works. At the end of the video, I will share with you how I do this, and hopefully you will see that this actually makes sense, and maybe it also makes sense that why it is not working for you, because I will also explain that. Without further ado, let's try Clk.Sh. So the first thing I want to do is to see that the website is indexed, because if it is not on Google, then the website has been de-indexed because it wasn't trustworthy. But anyway, here you can see that this website do exist on Google. Let's also see what people think about this service on Trustpilot. So 2 people thought that this service was excellent, but someone didn't like this. And in my opinion, this is more trustworthy than someone give a bad score, because it is common practice to give fake ratings. So something happened when this guy tried the service. He says that it places another video and not the video that he chose. What comes to my mind when I read this is that they perhaps use competitors' videos, because maybe those competitors pay the service, so you are in the mercy of the service. They can do whatever they like to do. So this rings a little bell that it might not be trustworthy, but let's try the service out and see what is going on. So I use a service called tempmail.org because it is easy to test free services. And let's sign up and sign in. So here we can see that we have $0 at the moment. By the way, I wanted to look this up on Black Hat World because this forum have a lot of people that are interested in link shortening services or traffic exchange services. So this guy tried something, and I believe that this is the reason why he got banned, and that is kind of a shame because he did some effort and spent some time writing different posts, and that is time that he can never get back. He also uses a blog on Blogspot or Blogger. For some reason, he decided to redirect this to a real domain. So on Black Hat World, that was 2017, 2018. So it was a while ago, and that website doesn't exist anymore. But you see, you work against the flow. You use method that people really don't like, and this is why this happens. Wait a minute, what is going on here? Clk.Sh, and then there are other URL shortening services, Clk.Icu. So here's a guy that have a problem downloading files, and that's an interesting method. So he kind of bait people to help him with something. So let's imagine that he needs to be very careful so that he doesn't get banned. Alright, this is very interesting. You see, I have done video reviews or video tutorials about other link shortening services, and some of these link shortening services forces people to install an exe file on their computer in order to complete the sequence. And those link shortening services doesn't like adblock plugins. So then he writes about the adblock thing, and he mentioned that he tried without adblock. How are they getting the link so quick? As I put the link in, I want to download, then almost instantly the file is ready to download. So I wonder if he is just baiting people to try this link shortening service. Anyway, I think this is what is going on. Anyway, I couldn't find much negative talk about Clk.Sh. So I don't think this website is a scam site or untrustworthy site. And nobody has said anything about that they don't pay out. Maybe I didn't do enough research. Anyway, let's try a new shortened link. And I have a blog on bloggy.co for testing purpose. So let's take this link and put it in here. The thing is, I recognize this interface, so it could be a clone. Let's shorten 400 error and 400 error. Maybe I forgot to confirm my sign up, but here is nothing. Let's add some alias. Maybe this is the problem. No. So, alright, maybe it works now. I refreshed the page, and I think it is about timing, that if you take too long time, then it doesn't work. So the question is, will this work? So now it is loading the page, and here it says this site can't be reached. And I'm not behind a proxy or firewall. So now I tried in a different browser, and here it says disable adblock. So you know what? I think this actually is a cloned service. So if you check here, it looks very much like shrinkme.io. And this was exactly what I talked about before. They force you to download an exe. They force you to disable adblock plugins. And as I demonstrated in the forum, in that case, he used it for downloading files, and maybe it was pirated softwares. They can use different tricks to entice people to download these files. And because the way this is built, I think that the pirated file is the exe that they must download and install. And then suddenly they have spyware or a Trojan horse installed on their computer. So in my experience, this way of thinking is not how you make money. Well, you might make money, but you are going against the natural flow. You're not helping people, and forum owners ban you, for example, if they see that you use these tactics. So you have to struggle a lot to make these links stick, or these methods stick. And why people use this is because, well, what I believe is they believe it is simple, they believe it is quick, and they believe that they can automate this and just sit back and watch the money flow into their bank account. And then they try method after method, and they fail over and over again because they don't know how to really make money online. And it is really mind-blowing that people don't understand that in order to make money, you have to spend time creating real value. Because when you create real value, people see that you're real, you're authentic, and this is how you build know, like, and trust. So for me, it's so simple because I just show people what I do and the solution that I use. And then I recommend people to try the solution that I use in my business, the solution that makes me money. I don't need to do risky investments in different services that doesn't give you the results that you seek, but because they are really good at marketing, you fall for that over and over again. You believe in the get rich quick methods and strategies. So check this out. This is what I do. I create a small video, and then I recommend people to check out the system that I use. They click on the link, and then I tell people that I have a free video training if they want to sign up. And if they want to get started with the system immediately, they can click on this red button here. That takes people to one of the landing pages of the system that I use. Then all they need to do is to sign up, and follow the instructions. After that, someone else will take over, and that is a guy that I really trust, and he is really good at teaching how to do affiliate marketing. So pay attention to everything that he show you, because this is information that you can use in your content when you create videos or when you create blog posts or whatever it is that you want to use in your marketing strategy. Anyway, this is what I want to share with you. And if you got some value from this video, then why not click the like button? This will help my YouTube channel grow. Also, if you want more videos like this one, then why not click the subscribe button? Also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos that I will release. Thank you for taking your time watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.